Hello and welcome to EGW Writings Tech Tips. I'm your host, Darryl Thompson. We're continuing our series on using the EGW Writings 2 app on the iPad. And in particular, we're going to look at adding and deleting books from my library. Let's take a look here on my bookshelf. And first of all, we're going to open up my library. And then we're going to tap on English. And we're going to go in. And you can see we've already downloaded all 120 of Ellen White's books. Maybe you say, well, I don't want all of those books. Maybe I've just downloaded them and now I want to remove some of them that I probably won't read. So I could come in here, and if I want to delete a book, I long click on the book here, and you've got two options. You can delete from the device or you can delete from the cloud. Now, if I delete from the device, it will only remove it, but it will not take it from the cloud. So if I sync this, my library with, say, my iPhone, and I'll give you a demonstration of that in a second, it will, if I delete from the device, it will not remove it from my iPhone. But if I delete from the cloud, when I sync with my iPhone, the book will be gone everywhere. So let's go and delete, first of all, from the device, the word to the little flock. Now you can see how it changed. The word to the little flock changed from a check mark, which means it's downloaded, to just a cloud download icon. And if I pick up my iPhone here and I open up the app and I go to my library, it should, if I come into the English and books, it should still be right there, word to the little flock, on my iPhone. You know, it removed it from this device, but not from the cloud. Let's just swipe out of the app. And let's come back and now download the book again. So this is how you download a book. Once you download it, there it is in my library, and it puts it into the history. Currently, we're sorting from chronological, so the last open book is always first. But this time, we're going to delete it from the cloud as well. So now it should be deleted completely from my device, from my bookshelf. Let's come over and run it on the EGW Writings 2 app on my iPhone. Let's open my library here, and we'll go back. And you can see here that it's updated and it's completely gone from this device as well. So it removed it everywhere when you say delete from the cloud. Okay, so that's how, we downloaded a book. Maybe you want to get a book in another collection. So if I want to add more books, I can click here, and maybe I want to come down here and add a Bible. So I click on the Bible, I click on versions, and I'm going to download the KJV because I want to read through the KJV Bible. So I click, I wait for the download and index. Now I can open it up. I can click read, find the chapter that I want to start in. I want to start in Psalms 1. And now I can read through the book of Psalms, chapter 1. I'm going to come back to my library here. And if I tap on it there and I open up, and now it's showing that I have the one book downloaded in the Bible collection. And you can see here in versions, I have the KJV. And when I tap on it, it'll open up to the last location that I was in. So there's just a brief overview on how you download, install, and read, and also delete from the device, or also delete from the entire cloud so that it does not show up in the EGW Writings ecosystem. And you can navigate through a book, and once you finish reading it, you can delete it and start reading the second book. So there's some of the advantages of the EGW Writings, My Library, and it's not just based per device, but it also works across the entire EGW Writings ecosystem. So remember, guys, go with God and be blessed. Have a nice day.